In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background in Canva, which is a fantastic tool for creating stunning visuals. Whether you're designing for social media, a presentation, or a personal project, a great background can make all the difference. So let's dive in and walk through the simple process of enhancing your Canva designs with a personalized background. To begin, open your Canva design where you would like to change the background. Now, the first thing you want to do is click on the existing background. This is a crucial step because it ensures that any changes you make will apply directly to the background and not any other design element. You'll know you've selected it when you see a border around the background area. Once you've selected your background, look for the background color icon on the top menu. It usually appears as a small square filled with color. Click on this icon. This opens up a palette of colors from which you can choose. Feel free to experiment and select a color that suits your design intentions. Remember, this is an opportunity to infuse some personality into your project, so don't hesitate to try something bold. But what if you want more than just a solid color? Well, you can also add an image as your background, and here's how to do it. Navigate over to the Uploads option on the left-hand menu. This is where you can add personal images to Canva. Click Uploads and either select an existing image from your library or drag and drop a new one from your computer. Once you've chosen your image, drag it onto your design workspace. To set it precisely as the background, you need to right-click on the image. In the drop-down menu that appears, click on Set Image as Background. Your chosen image will then automatically fit as the background of your design canvas, stretching to fill the entire space seamlessly. This process allows your image to become the backdrop, and you can layer text, graphics, or any other design elements over it as you wish. Voila! Your design now has a personalized touch with the new background you added. Keep in mind that the background is the canvas to your creativity, so feel free to revisit these steps and play around with different options until you find what really speaks to your stylistic goals. And there you have it. That's how you quickly and effectively add a background in Canva. I hope this video helped you enhance your design skills and inspired you to create amazing visuals. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave comments below if you have any questions or need further tips.